Having trouble charging your Tesla via the app? You're not alone. The most common reasons include payment issues like rejected cards or outdated information, mobile access problems such as authentication failures or connectivity drops, and charger errors from hardware malfunctions or software glitches. In this video, we'll break down how to troubleshoot each of these issues, drawing on the latest fixes and updates from Tesla as of December 2025. Payment issues are a leading cause of charging failures. As of December 2025, Tesla's app updates like version 4.25.1 have addressed many PCI compliance bugs that reject valid cards. Always ensure your payment information is current and try adding the card again if rejected. For pay-as-you-go at Superchargers, register properly in the app to avoid authentication blocks. Mobile access problems often stem from authentication failures, such as expired OAuth tokens or connectivity drops. Tesla's November 2025 update enhanced biometric authentication, reducing these issues by 40%. Ensure a stable internet connection and relog into the app if needed. For Face ID problems, reset the biometric settings in your device. Charger errors can result from hardware malfunctions or software mismatches in the Supercharger network. As of December 2025, Tesla reports 98% uptime, but issues like charger not available persist. Try a different charger or restart your vehicle. The app's AI diagnostics now predict some issues, helping prevent failures. For quick fixes, always update to Tesla's latest app version. Force restart both the app and your vehicle, and verify your account details. These steps resolve most issues based on December 2025 user reports and support data. First, let's tackle payment issues. Open your Tesla app and go to Charging, then Manage Payment Methods. Ensure your credit card information is up to date and that the card hasn't expired. Tesla's app has become more strict with PCI compliance, so double-check all details. If using pay-as-you-go at a supercharger, make sure you've properly registered your card in the app. If problems persist, try a different card or contact your bank to rule out fraud flags. Mobile access issues can prevent the Tesla app from communicating with your vehicle. These problems often stem from authentication failures or connectivity glitches. Start by force quitting and restarting the app. On iOS, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause to access the app switcher. Then swipe up on the Tesla app to close it. On Android, use the Recent Apps button and swipe away the app. Then reopen it from your home screen. Make sure you're logged in with the correct Tesla account. Open the app and tap your profile icon to access settings. Verify that your account details match those associated with your vehicle. If not, log out and sign in with the proper credentials. If you're still locked out, check your phone's internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent authentication. Toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data to refresh the connection. Then, go to Tesla's website and re-link your vehicle via your account settings. Log into your Tesla account online, navigate to the Vehicles section, and follow the prompts to reconnect your app with the car. This often resolves authentication issues. Since the version 4.25.1 update in November 2025, Tesla has enhanced biometric authentication with Face ID integration to minimize access failures. This feature uses facial recognition for secure and quick app access, reducing authentication errors by up to 40%. Encountering charger errors like charger not available? First, ensure the supercharger itself is functional. Check for any visible damage or outages reported on Tesla's website or app. Try a different charging stall if available. Software mismatches can also cause issues, so make sure your Tesla's software, e.g., full self-driving V12 Plus and app, are up to date. As of 2025, Tesla's AI is predicting charger issues before they occur. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a simple force restart of both your Tesla and the mobile app. To force restart the Tesla screen, hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously for a few seconds until the screen restarts. Force quitting the app differs by device, but you can usually swipe up from the bottom of the screen and swipe the app away to force close it. These simple actions can resolve temporary software glitches that might be preventing charging. Tesla has shifted heavily towards AI-powered chatbots for customer support, handling most routine inquiries efficiently. To access support, open the Tesla app and navigate to the support section. The Tesla Assist chat interface will appear, allowing you to describe your charging or payment issue. When contacting support, be prepared to provide detailed information about the issue, including any error messages, steps you've tried, and when the problem occurred. While AI chatbots are helpful for many issues, don't hesitate to escalate to a human representative if the chatbot cannot resolve your problem. Simply request to speak with a support agent during the chat. Let's examine real-world case studies of Tesla charging failures. In July 2025, a major supercharger outage affected over 200 locations in California, causing widespread payment failures despite users having valid payment methods. Tesla resolved the issue with a hotfix within 24 hours, but this case highlights the importance of having backup payment options to avoid being stranded. Another common failure occurred when a Tesla owner reset their phone, causing them to be locked out of mobile access to their vehicle. The app authentication failed despite having the correct credentials. The resolution required reinstalling the Tesla app and relinking the vehicle through Tesla's website. This example underscores why account recovery protocols are crucial for maintaining access to your Tesla's features. Tesla is evolving toward a fully app-driven experience, introducing features like virtual key sharing for improved security and convenience. This allows third-party apps to work seamlessly with your vehicle. Additionally, AI-assisted charging optimization helps predict and optimize charging times based on your usage patterns. To future-proof your charging experience, always stay up to date with the latest Tesla app updates. These updates bring new features, improve security, and fix any existing issues that could affect charging. As payment technology advances, trends indicate that 90% of all transactions will become contactless by 2026. This shift toward digital wallets and integrated payment systems will make Tesla Supercharging even more seamless and secure. Looking ahead, Tesla is committed to achieving 100% reliable charging by 2030. This ambitious goal involves upgrading supercharger infrastructure, integrating AI diagnostics, and ensuring compatibility with various charging standards for uninterrupted service. To minimize charging headaches, ensure your Tesla app is always updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Additionally, keep your account secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or disruptions.